say?
Last time I saw him, he looked so old. Anyway, you guys are going to have, it's awesomely beautiful.
They work with Founders Day, Caden Bridge.
Yeah, my wife Julie does all that crap stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, she's got another one coming up, huh?
Oh, we
the
better
studio
get
tour?
Yeah.
At the Taproot Farm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tim Reed.
Yeah.
Everybody knows
Okay.
Larry C. Well, ooh, show my better half.
I'm not sure that's Steve.
Happen.
You're going to ride too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well after you finish talking, I'll get a picture of all of you taking off.
Okay.
Lead on. If we're ready, Larry, we're ready.
All right.
I'll see
Let's
you
roll.
all in about an hour.
Okay.
Everything ready for lunch?
Let's roll.
All right.
All right, enjoy, guys.
Thanks. See you later, Larry.
Hi, Mom.
That's good. Okay. All right. It's fun coming down that, huh?
Yeah. I took my time. I wasn't sure where I was going. But
I'm gonna go
ahead.
by here.
You got lock-in pedals? No,
No.
you'll be okay.
No, I'm okay.
See, I got lock-in, so I'm just gonna walk in.
Yeah.
Put my socks on, and then I'm ready to go.
Well, I got sandals on, so it doesn't matter.
Smart.
Uh-oh.
Awesome, awesome. You got it, Aaron, you got it. Well done.
Yeah, but my feet are wet now.
Well, it's okay, it's an 80-degree day. They'll dry out.
How are you doing?
Hey, good, how are you?
I got a little lost. Now everybody's here.
Nobody's around. That's a
Yeah.
good sign.
That's everybody.
All right. All right.
towards the creek, same thing, right? It's not back there, because they had a bug. Okay, it's flowing. You're right. You're right. Towards the ground. All right, we ready for a second round?
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
go.
okay, let's go. Let's go the other way. Let's go back this way.
ready
Go
for
up
a
that
beer.
hill.
Get your feet wet.
Oh, a little bit, yeah.